everyone!
Hi everyone! So ngayon, gagawin namin yung mga sounds ng animals! Clap your hands! Clap your hands! Animals! Umpisahan namin sa number 1. What is the sound of dog?
Ruff!
Dalawang beses. 2 times. Ruff, ruff! Ganon. Very good! Clap your hands! Number 2.
Number 2.
What is the sound of cat?
No.
Very good! Number 3.
Number 3.
What is the sound of goat?
Yeah.
Very good! Number 4.
Number 4.
What is the sound of wolf?
Ooh.
Wolf! Ayusin mo. Arrrr! Ganon.
Ooh.
Very good! Number 5.
Number 5.
What is the sound of bird?
Tweet, tweet.
Very good! Number 6.
Number 6.
Ganyan. 6. Lima yan. Yan. What is the sound of monkey? Very good. Number 7.
Number 7.
Di ako cream set. Number 7. What is the sound of pig?
Oink,
Oink, oink.
oink, oink.
Very good. Number 8. Para 8. 8. Yan. What is the sound of chicken?
Cook.
Lakasan mo.
Tukalo.
Very good. Tiktilaok. Number 9. Last 2 na. Number 9. Number 9. Ikaw nga.
Number 9.
Ito na po. Yan.
Sapa.
What is the sound of...
Sapa.
Oo nga, what is the sound of cow?
Ooh.
Moo. Very good. Number 10. 10. 10. Ikaw nga. 10. Ikaw.
10.
What is the sound of...
Monkey.
Tapos na yun. What is the sound of horse?
Meh.
Goat yun. What is the sound of horse? Very good! So, for now, that's all. Thank you! Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.